Weird and crazy sports, extraordinary challenges for the brave. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I have prepared an adrenaline-filled video for you about the weirdest and wildest sports you can imagine. Get ready for an exciting journey through the world of unconventional challenges and incredible skills. 1. Chess boxing. This sport combines the intellectual game of chess with physical boxing. Competitors must face their opponents both on the chessboard and in the ring, showcasing both strength and intelligence. 2. Extreme ironing. This sport is for those who seek extreme thrills even during everyday activities. Participants embark on dangerous expeditions to various locations such as mountain peaks, canyons, or even underwater to iron their clothes. 3. Cheese rolling. This British tradition is a true test of courage and speed. Participants roll down a steep hill in pursuit of a rolling cheese. The first person to catch the cheese becomes the winner, although the game itself can be somewhat painful. 4. Wife carrying. This unusual sport originated in Finland and involves a race with obstacles, during which men carry their wives on their backs. The challenge is not only to complete the course but also to overcome the obstacles that await the competitors. 5. Bog snorkeling. In the UK, competitions take place where participants must swim across a section of a bog using only a snorkel mask and fins. It's an extreme challenge for water enthusiasts and a unique way to spend time. 6. Octopush. This sport combines hockey and diving. Players use special short sticks to push a special puck along the bottom of a pool, attempting to score goals. It requires significant endurance, underwater dexterity, and breath-holding ability. 7. Bossa ball. It's a combination of volleyball, soccer, and acrobatics. Players compete on a huge inflatable court with a net, and they can use any part of their body, including hands and feet, to hit the ball. 8. Ferret legging. This peculiar and risky sport is popular in the UK. It involves placing a ferret inside one's trousers and enduring for as long as possible without getting bitten or removing the ferret. 9. Unicycle polo. It's a variation of traditional polo where players ride on unicycles. They must simultaneously maintain balance on the unicycles while playing polo. 10. Extreme sheep herding. This sport originated in the UK, where a shepherd uses herding dogs to control flocks of sheep in challenging terrains or through obstacles such as tunnels and ramps. Remember that these sports are extraordinary and often require great courage, skills, and endurance. They are often performed for entertainment purposes and aim to provide unforgettable experiences for both participants and spectators. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family.